Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So today I will be showing you how to achieve this no makeup look with our old school brown smoky eyes, which is easy to create and easy to achieve. First up, I'm going to prep my face using the Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer by Sugar Cosmetic. I will be leaving down all the links in my description of the products I will be using. You don't have to buy any specific product, you already have these products in your vanity. Moving on to foundation, so I nowadays like mixing my matte foundation with a serum based foundation. So I am mixing the Maybelline Superstay and Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation. I have done a full review on both the foundations on my channel. So I like mixing both and using it all over my face. I am not looking for a very full coverage base. I am looking for a medium coverage, which I will achieve by one layer of foundation. The shade of the foundations will be mentioned in my description if I happen to miss mentioning on the screen. Once the foundation is done, I went ahead with a concealer. So I am in love with this Too Faced Born This Way concealer at the moment, and I absolutely love the texture and finish of this concealer. It blends easily without giving me any kind of cakiness underneath my eye, and it doesn't even fill into my fine lines during the day. It's a perfect concealer. If you're looking for one high-end concealer, this is the one to go for. Moving on to some setting of my face, so I'm using this press powder by Faces Canada. Again, a lovely finish powder. If you were eyeing this one and you just stopped because it is expensive, then you should just buy it even if it is expensive, because it is really good. You can actually see the finish on my face after putting the powder. Everything was set in properly. Moving on to some blush, so I'm using this Color Bar blush. Oh my god, I'm in love with this blush. It is a matte finish blush, but it has a very subtle sheen to it, which really pops and give you a nice flush of blush on your cheeks. And yes, I did went a little overboard with the blush because I absolutely love using blushes. Moving on to some bronzer. Now yes, I went ahead with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Again, a stunning bronzer. It is expensive bronzer, but I must say, if you are a bronzer junkie and you're eyeing a high-end one, why not get this one? It's really good, up notch and good quality. Moving on to highlighter, I picked up my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter today. I generally don't use this highlighter a lot, but for this look, I just wanted something soft and gentle. And what is better than MAC? So yes, it is a nice subtle subtle highlighter. And if you were eyeing this one, I would still say there are many better in the market, so you really don't have to shell out 2,600 on a highlighter. But yes, it is good. After doing the face, let's move on to our eyes. So I'm doing my brows first. So I'm using the Nykaa brow pencil here. I'm not a big fan on this brow pencil, that is why I didn't show you the brow part, but I did use that pencil on my brows. Moving on to eyeshadows, this is my newest purchase, but it's not that new. I have been using this palette past 3 months and I'm absolutely in love with this palette. It's a warm nude palette for anyone who's a person who just wants to create those subtle looks, or the looks which everyone would like to create. And yes, I was just checking if my camera is picking up. I'm putting a shadow. It happens at times camera defocuses me, but yes, I just went in with a brown shadow and I was done. I really didn't need any kind of further shadows, but later we will be deepening up our outer crease with a deepest brown, a little black. I didn't pick up too much black here because I was avoiding that black smoky, but because I was looking for a brown smoky. So yes, you can just mix your black a little bit with the brown, and then you will achieve this nice brown smoky eye. When you play around with some deepest shades, go slow and you will definitely achieve a nice subtle smoky eye. To finish off the look, I went ahead with this Colorbar Scandal Kajal. It's more of a violet or a purple kajal. Again, one of my favorite shades to get and favorite shades to wear into my waterline after black. And it really stands out. It really looks good and really enhances the eyes. My ultimate favorite metallic eyeliner by Sugar. You know, I have been constantly using this eyeliner in most of my eye looks, and yes, I thought, why put a black? Let's put this one because this will really stand out and really give me that nice sheen to the eyes. Because yes, I didn't use any kind of shimmers for my eye look today, so this eyeliner in particular really made my eyes stand out. If you're not a person who loves metallics, then just go in with your black eyeliner. That will also look good. But I'm just experimenting. Moving on to mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Oh my god, again a wonderful mascara. You have to just work out with the mascara for some longer time. Don't be in a hurry or else you will never achieve those nice voluminized or lengthened lashes. So yes, I really like this mascara by Too Faced. It's really well made. You really don't need any kind of falsies. To finish off, let's move on to some lip liners. Now I'm using this Nykaa lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy. If I'm wrong, I will mention it in my description. Yes, it's a proper brown, a more of a cool toned brown lip liner. I'm a big fan of Nykaa and K-Beauty lip liner. So yes, I have recently bought some more new shades. So this is the one I have been using constantly. And to finish off, I use the Wonderpuff lipstick. Just a little nude lipstick will enhance the look because it's more of a brown smoky eye. And try wearing nude lipsticks rather than wearing a bold lipstick. But you can actually pair this look with a nice hot red lipstick also. You will definitely stand out in the crowd. To finish off, I went into my inner corners and placed a little highlighter, and on my brow bone some finishing touches happening at the last moment. That's how you're supposed to do. You should remember to put highlighters on your brow bone and your inner corners. That really enhances the whole eye look. So I hope you loved watching this interesting no makeup look with a brown smoky eye. I will be here with some more interesting looks on my channel. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @pranzi. Till then, you take care and I will see you in my next one.